Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. As a part of Dart's control flow statements, we are going to learn Dart's if statement in this tutorial. So let's get started. If we want to execute any statement or a set of statements under a specific condition only, then we should go for if statement. It evaluates the condition before executing the block where a set of statements are available. So here we have a syntax. We have if, then inside bracket we will have a condition, then we are opening and closing braces. Inside that we have a set of statements. So let's understand the flow diagram of if statements. When we run our program, so it's check the condition of if statement. If it's true, then it will simply execute the statements of if block, then our program will be terminated. So let's understand it with the help of one example. So here we have a program to check negative number. So in this program we are going to take input from the user. So let's have a print statement. Print, enter a number. Then let's take one variable where number is equal to this stdin to take input, read line sync. So this is the method. So we are getting compile time error. So it's saying we have to define it. Actually we need to import the package, that is import library IO package. So let's import it. So error is gone. So we are taking number as var, so let's convert it to int. So we'll take one variable num is equal to, let's parse this int dot parse this number dot to string. Now let's come to our if block. If num is less than 0, then simply we will print the number is negative. So let's save and run it. Dart let's enter. So it's asking enter a number, so I'm giving here -9. So let's enter again. So see, we are getting the output as the number is negative. So please find the GitHub link for this example in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.